So this is Sunday night, and it is snowing like crazy. Zoom in. That's some pretty good snow coming down. Our road had been plowed. Now it's all filled in. Based on where the snow is on the Mustang, I would say that's about a foot. We're supposed to be under a state of emergency until midnight, but of course they have extended that state of emergency 3 times. So if this keeps coming down, they may end up extending that again. At least, needless to say, I will likely not be getting out to go to work in the morning. Happy first snow of 2019. If it ever ends.